Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix Telegram copyright infringement on settings. We will click here on settings, then we come here to settings window and we will just go down here. We will click here on apps, then we come here to next window and we will just go down here to looking for a Telegram app in this window. We'll just go down here to find the Telegram app here and we will click here on Telegram. Then we come here to this is window and we will click here on for stop and we will click here on OK. Then we will click here on storage. Then we come here to storage window. We will click here on clear cache. Then we will click here on manage storage and you just turn off your phone and turn on it and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish now you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe and see you in next video.